Right, then that's the latest coming in on India's oil situation. But moving on, later tonight, all eyes will be on the Fed. Now, while rates are expected to stay steady, markets are bracing for what comes next. Now, the central bank is expected to send signals on inflation, growth, and also rate outlook. Now, investors will be watching for Fed's dot plot for any clues on how many cuts, if any, may come this year. Now, political pressure is also mounting, with Trump pushing for looser policy as global tensions and tariff risks cloud the outlook.
US, let's shift focus to Japan. Japan's export shrank at the sharpest pace in 8 months, down 1.7% year-on-year in May, reversing April's gain and signaling weak global demand. The drop was softer than expected, but imports also plunged 7.7%, pointing to subdued domestic activity. This comes a day after Bank of Japan warned of slowing growth. Adding to trade tensions, Trump has called Japan tough in ongoing negotiations after 6 failed rounds of talks.
All right, then moving on, shifting focus to some tech companies. Now, TikTok is getting a 90-day reprieve as Trump has extended the deadline yet again for China's ByteDance to sell its US TikTok operations. Now, this marks the third such extension since he took office. The White House has also said that Trump doesn't want TikTok to go dark. And now he'll sign a fresh executive order this week itself. Now, the delay pushes the decision past June 19, giving more time to close the deal. However, Beijing's approval still hangs in balance.
And Amazon's workforce is set to shrink, not because of cuts, but because of code. CEO Andy Jassy says that generative AI will reduce the need of corporate roles over the next few years as the company leans heavily into automation. In a memo, Jassy urged staff to get more done with scrappier teams and embrace AI tools. Remember, the e-commerce giant has laid off over 27,000 employees since 2022 as it now uses AI across its supply chain.